What is this? What is this, please?
What's up, man? I'm Will, and you're Ultron, and we're about to talk about all the projects that we're gonna do this year.
This feels wrong. I'm a peacekeeping program created to help the Avengers.
Yes, kind of, sort of, but I've also 3D printed you, and you're gonna help me tell everybody about the projects that we're gonna make this year, right?
The Avengers. I don't get it. The mission. Give me a second.
3D printed Iron Man helmets with electronics and lights and animatronics and some finishing stuff in there and maybe some design work.
That is too much.
Nah, man, you're absolutely gonna love it. Come on now, bring out the armors. What's up, YouTube? I'm Will, and we're gonna look at the 12 projects that we are gonna tackle here on the channel, and that's just the 12 main big projects. There will be a few smaller other little videos sprinkled here and there, but these are gonna be the big ones, the more fleshed out material and builds. So let's take a look. First up for January, we're going to be looking at the Mark 46 from Iron Man Civil War, and that's a file we got over from Tom Lacey, aka Happy Moon, over on Thingiverse. I've printed the file already, and the finishing video will be coming up at a later date. Coming up next for February, what would Valentine's Day be without a little bit of heartbreak? We're going to be doing the Heartbreaker helmet from Iron Man 3. Full design by myself, and I'll have those files up over for you on Thingiverse once we're all done. To celebrate a little March Madness for number 3, we're going to be doing a 1:1 scale Hulkbuster helmet. It's going to be designed and made to fit over my shoulders while I'm wearing a fully printed Iron Man helmet. Next up on the list is these amazing samurai Iron Man concepts by an illustrator named Jed Henry. I discovered Jed over on Instagram, and I reached out and I said, hey, I would love to translate one of these into 3D and do a video about making it. He said, awesome. So I can't wait to get this one underway. You can see more of Jed's work over here on Instagram. Please do give him a follow, give him a like, as much as you can. And next up, one of my favorite, not technically wearable Iron Man suits, but I don't see the design done very often. It's going to be a two-parter, actually. We're going to begin by doing 2 Iron Legion helmets from Age of Ultron. And this will actually lead directly into the second part of the project.
These puppets.
Ultron, buddy, please, just go sit down. You need paint, you need polish, you need lights, you need a lot, okay? You need to calm down before I let your batteries die. That's what you need to do.
You're unbearably naive.
Okay, and getting back to the point, now we're gonna have coming up the Mark II, or as I like to call it, the Terrence Howard Buster. I have a Mark I, I have a Mark III. The Mark II is just the next natural helmet to make. Moving into August, my birthday month, me and a buddy of mine who's a leather worker, I'll link him in the channel below, will be doing a recreation of a sculpture by Gabriel Deschamps. Gabriel's work is amazing, and when he dropped this Louis V Iron Man helmet, I absolutely lost it. And to have one of mine would be amazing. I'll drop a link below to some more of his work. Please check out GabrielDeschamps.com. He's done a lot of pop culture handbag upcycles, and they are all amazing. And I get it. MCU armors are always done, they're very popular, so why not show some more comic book love? And I'm gonna do just that with a 1:1 recreation of a wearable Uru armor helmet. Absolutely one of my favorite armors from the Fear Itself storyline, and I've always really enjoyed the design of the Asgardian destroyer. To do my own little Halloween special, I thought, why not do the Mark 41, the Bones armor? And jumping right off of that same scary vibe, we might as well go straight into fall with a little bit of the Arno Stark Iron Man 2020. I'll custom design that helmet myself. And then wrapping up the year, one of my favorite armors of all time, the God Killer armor from the Guardians of the Galaxy run. I was so sad when they scrapped that weird plot with Iron Man 3 and he didn't make it in the Guardians, but here we go. And that wraps up our little overview of the projects for this year. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.